Hey people, so we are at this place called Deep Jewel, and I picked up these lovely pair of earrings just now. It's quite a collection, really. I mean, Deep Jewel is in Inorbit Mall, and for instance, you have these. I would say these are almost like rose quartz bangles. There are times that if you wear the right kind of stone, it actually makes a difference. Like, for instance, see, it's quite a collection. Ma'am, what is the starting range? And this is a very helpful person I met here. Ma'am, what is the starting range of your
स्टार्टिंग किसमें ना
in earrings?
इयरिंग्स में स्टार्टिंग प्राइस 550
550. Okay. Less than that, you don't have 300. Okay.
300
Really? Okay. And in natural stones, what is the starting price of earrings or bangles or earrings basically for natural stone like I bought just now? So 550, I guess, right? Okay. Because natural stones is something that it's like really impressive. Like these kind of, if you wear the right kind of stones, it can make a big difference. So this place is called Deep Jewel, and I picked up. Yes. My channel is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu. I'll just Half Sindhi Little Mallu. So I would say that's me in the picture. So I would highly recommend this place called Deep Jewel, and we are at Inorbit Mall. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.